Audio Jungle. Jungle.
Hi friends, today I'm going to make dosa. Let's see what are the ingredients we need. I have taken half a cup split black grams, it's called urad dal, and 1 tablespoon fenugreek. So let's wash this twice. So then I'm going to add 1 cup of water and I'm going to soak overnight. On the next day you can see the urad dals like this, and then I'm going to blend it. Shift all the urad dal to the blender and add little amount of water if you need it. Let's blend it until a smooth paste. Now you can see the paste with the thickness. Let's transfer into a bowl. And then I have taken 1 cup of pre-cooked rice and let's blend it too. Mix rice paste with urad dal paste together. Let's keep this mixture for few hours for fermentation. I would like to introduce my hydrate curry powder in this time. After few hours you can see the batter like this. So let's start mixing well. And then I'm going to add homemade powdered curry leaves for get a nice smell. So I'm going to add half a tablespoon curry powder. Mix it well, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon liquid salt and mix it well. Now the dosa batter is ready, so I'm going to make a chutney for this. Let's see what are the ingredients we need. Take your blender, add 1 cup of scraped coconut and few green chilies, curry leaves, few shallots and half a teaspoon salt, and let's blend it. You can see a super color chutney is ready. At the meantime, preheat your pan and add 1 tablespoon of melted ghee. And then take a scoop of dosa batter and spread in the pan. After few minutes, you can add little amount of ghee on top of the dosa if you want. If you prefer to have crispy dosa, you can turn the dosa upside down and let's keep in few minutes to make it. Now the healthy crispy dosa is ready with the chutney. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Thanks for watching my video.